In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view open interest on TradingView. Open interest is the total number of outstanding contracts that haven't been settled. It's a powerful way to gauge participation and conviction in futures and derivatives markets. Rising open interest alongside a price move can suggest strengthening momentum, while falling open interest may point to waning interest. Let's get it showing on your chart quickly and clearly. First, head to TradingView.com. Once the site loads, you'll see your chart workspace along with a watch list on the right side. From that right-hand list, select the symbol you want to analyze and click it to load the chart. Open interest is most relevant for instruments like futures or perpetual contracts, so choosing a market that actually supports open interest data will help. If you're not sure, don't worry, you'll know right away once we add the indicator. Next, open the full featured chart so you have the complete toolset. Click Full Chart to expand the workspace and make room for indicators and panels. This view gives you the standard toolbar at the top and the familiar area where indicators will appear either on the price chart or in their own panels below it. At the top of the chart, click Indicators. This opens TradingView's indicator library and search bar. In the search field, type Open Interest. You'll see results that match your query. From the list, click Open Interest to add it to your chart. You should now see an open interest line or histogram appear in a separate panel under the price chart. If it doesn't show data for your current symbol, that often means the instrument doesn't provide open interest or the exchange feed you're viewing doesn't include it. Try a futures contract or a derivative market that supports it. Also keep in mind that open interest often updates on exchange schedules, so it may not tick with every price move. From here, read the indicator in context with price. For example, if price rises and open interest also rises, that can suggest new positions are entering the market in the direction of the move. If price rises while open interest falls, it may indicate short covering rather than strong new buying. The reverse logic applies on declines. Consider checking multiple time frames to get a sense of the broader trend in participation. That's all you need to display open interest on TradingView. With it visible beneath your chart, you can better assess how engaged the market is behind any move and make more informed decisions.